Everyone, I'm Christine and I'm going to answer question number one for you. You are required to provide a definition of the theory and then link that theory to the case study as above and use it to explain to your grandchildren why their great grandparents are still living. So, somatic DNA theory suggests that DNA mutations accumulate over time, and these acquired changes in our DNA can result to diseases and decreased body functions as we age. So, basically, as we get older, our body stops working efficiently, and this can be caused by numerous factors, and one of it is the changes in our genes. Some mutations happen in our DNA, and these mutations are copied when new cells are formed. Then the number of mutated cells increases over time, and our body are not able to correct these mutations. And as a result, this increase of mutated cells leads to diseases associated with age, such as diabetes, hypertension, glaucoma, cancer, and cognitive impairment. So, according to the case scenario, the mother is 94 years old who is moderately obese and has osteoarthritis, hypertension, glaucoma, and type 2 diabetes. While the father is 95 years old who has hypertension, osteoarthritis, and a recent diagnosis of prostate cancer. So let's take it from the case scenario and use the diagnosis of prostate cancer as an example. So, one of the factors associated with the development of this disease is the changes in the genes. So, these changes in the genes increases the risk of developing prostate cancer with men alongside with increasing age. So, this also means that cancer is not always hereditary and it can actually be acquired during the course of our lifetime. It can be also acquired during as a result of damage to the DNA due to the exposure to certain chemicals, ultraviolet rays, radiation, and tobacco. Next question. Explain to your grandchildren why their great grandparents are still living. So, using this theory, it can be explained that while DNA mutations leads to diseases in associated with aging, not all mutations are harmful and damaging. So, some mutations are neutral, which means that it doesn't affect our health, and some mutations can also be beneficial. So, examples of beneficial mutations are lactose tolerance, and I've also read that there is also the HIV tolerance. So, to me, that could explain why the great grandparents are still living, according to the theory.